And of course my mask broke once again, so we get another of these things, another broken mask. Nope, not yet. There we go. Boom. Should do. All right. Welcome to the no time update. This is the no time update because I had no time to sit down and film this at the studio, so I'm filming this on the go. You guys are comfortably sitting on my bike at the moment, and I have to move because I'm about to jump on the train, so hang with me for a sec. Yeah, this is the first time I'm alone on the train, but there's nobody else. There's a lockdown feeling in the air, so everybody's staying at home. Can't see anything. All right, so now that the fog effect is gone, here's the update. You know that I share snippets and previews of Mode Zero content on other social channels like Facebook and Instagram, but the main episodes are all on YouTube. That said, I noticed that you tend to watch these snippets and previews, but then don't click on the links that I share on these channels. So let's say if I share a photo on Instagram and then I mention in the description link in bio, well, that's something that you tend not to use, and you miss the whole story, because what you're enjoying on Instagram is just a tiny little preview. The whole episode is on YouTube. So I invite you to double check the updates that I shared so you can enjoy the full story. If you see mentioned in the description link in bio, go in the bio, click on the link and enjoy the full thing. That said, new videos on the way, more music on the way, so stay tuned. Here's the funny thing. So you see this spot? Usually this spot is reserved for other people that may need help. But the reason why I use it for my bike now is because instead of putting my bike here and park it here during the trip, I can keep an eye on it. You see, one time I parked my bike over there, and then when I was sitting on the opposite side, I noticed a guy picked it up and tried to run away with it. And on this train there is no security camera, so I have to keep it close. Indeed, if anybody on the train would need this place, I would leave it available.